What's meant by typo? Mr. Saleem drew my attention. Let's correct it. What?
Pronunciation.
Leges. Leges.
Leges. Leges.
You got it. Correction needed, sir. What a feedback I received from my beloved son, Professor Sheikh Saleem Shahzad. Mr. Saleem drew my attention towards a typo. Yeah, a typo. Typo? What's meant by typo? Typo means a small mistake. Yeah, a small mistake where? In a text. Yeah, in a text made when it was typed or printed. Yeah, when it was typed or printed. Typo. Yeah, typo. Have a look at it. Yeah, look at it. Let's correct it. Yeah, correct it.
Plural, 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 plural.
No, look at this word. At this word, please. I'm sure you're familiar with this word. We have already discussed it. Yeah, look at it. Let's practice its English pronunciation. What?
Pronunciation.
Yeah.
Leges. Leges. Leges.
Leges. Leges. Leges.
You got it. MashaAllah. Corrections are good. They keep us all humble. An American investor and the founder, CEO and CIO of ARK Invest, an investment management firm. Catherine Wood is of the point of view. What's yours? Yeah, what's yours? Think about it. Thank you. See you soon, inshallah.